In this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines, how to solve the problem number 69 by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as, draw the projections of the straight line capital AB, 100 mm long, inclined at 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. The end A is in HP and the end B is in VP. Find the shortest distance between the straight line capital AB and the line of interaction of planes of projection. So that means whenever one end is in HP and the other end is in VP, always you start from the top view. So that is the reason why we have taken B1 here. So from here we have to start. So first we need to draw the XY line and X1, Y1 line. So now first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen and you switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits, enter, limits, enter, 0, 0, S, upper right corner, 297, 210. Then zoom on. Now then go for line command. Select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of your screen and click on first button of the mouse. And drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance, and again you click on the first button of the mouse. And again take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And then enter. Now we need to create A4 size sheet. So go for offset, take the dimension as 297, enter. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And again go to offset, take the distance as 210 and enter. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this horizontal line. Similarly between this line and this line. And similarly between this and this. Now we need to go for layer command. So create the layers now. First we'll go for new layer as XY and press enter. Click on new. Type the layer by name front view. FV. Click on new. Type the layer by name top view. Enter. Click the new layer. Type the layer by name side view. Enter, because for this problem we have the side view also. So to do that, again you just click on this, go to true length, enter, and then click on new, type the layer by name locus and enter. Now we are going to adjust the line weights for individual layer. The layer 0 will always have the line weight as 0.05. Okay. Then X, because layer 0 contains projector lines. XY line will going to have the line weight as 0.13. Okay. Front view will going to have the line weight as 0.5. Okay. And the top view will also have the line weight as 0.5. Okay. And the side view will also have the line weight as 0.5. Okay. And the true length will going to have 0.3. Okay. And the locus line will going to have 0.05. Once you do that, now we'll go for the line type of locus layer, which is continuous. You click on this and you change it to dash dot. So to change it to dash dot, I need to load the dash dot line here. So click on load, go to line type here and type D, enter. And then make that line type on the default line type for the locus layer. You just click on dash dot and say OK. So it will going to change this to locus. Then the true length will going to have this index color 30 and say OK. Then the side view will going to have the layer as green color and say OK. Then the top view will going to have red color. OK. And then the front view will going to have magenta color and say OK. So this is how you will be able to create all the layers. Now you just click on close. Now we go for creating the drawing. So first we're going to draw the XY line. And then we're going to see and the X1, Y1 line. So now to do that, so first go to line, select some arbitrary point and draw a horizontal line. And again you take some line and draw a vertical line here. Now as we see here, you take 100 mm at an angle of 30 degrees. So to do that, so go to line, take nearest point on this, and you take relative polar coordinate system at the rate 100 less than minus 150. So because 30 degrees. Once you do that, now we will say this point will come to this perpendicular, and then again from there you draw 45 degree. So to do that, so I'll just go to perpendicular to this line, and again I will take at the rate 100 less than 45 degree. And now we will go to get the locus line here, and then go to extend this line till here, and then you extend this line till here. Now once you do that, now we have the true length in the front view and as well as in the top view. So now first we will draw this and get this locus line. So we have the locus in the front view as well as in the top view. So then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get the line here, then go to line, type int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to trim between this line and this line and say OK, and object to trim here. Once you do that, now we will take this line. So you draw a line. So from here you draw a perpendicular to this and then you project this. So to do that, so I will go for erase this arc, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to line, take int of this and take int of this. So you're going to get the front view, top view, then trim between these two. Object to trim is this and object to trim is this. Then finally you erase this line, then go to line, take int of this and draw int of this again. So you're going to get it on the same line. Now you need to write the side view. So go to line, take int of this and I will say at the rate 200 less than minus 45. Then go to line, take int of this and you draw a horizontal line, then go to trim this line till here, then you go to break this line till here, then go to erase this, then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this, then draw, then you just go to extend this line till here. So then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So once you do that, so we're going to get this. So you trim this line till here. So now you just go to move, then you just go to extend this line till here, then go to break this line till here, then you trim this till here. Now you just go to move, select this crossing, select this entire drawing and move it here, then go to break this line till here, then go to break this line till here and then go to break this line till here. Now similarly here go to break this line till here. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So you're going to get the shortest distance. So the list of this, whatever you are going to get, it is 40.82. So that is your shortest distance, 40.82 mm. So now the drawing is correct. So now we need to change all these things. So to do that, you just click on this and you click on this. You just change that layer to XY layer, because both will going to have 0.13. You select this line, you go to layer, make that layer as locus layer and change the line type scale factor as 10. So then you go to this line and this line. So you make that layer as true length line. You just go to true length and you just switch on the line weight display and escape. Then go to select this line, go to layer, take this as top view, escape, you select this layer, go to layer, make that layer as side view. Then again, you just click on this, go to layer, you make that layer as front view. Once you do that, so all the things have been done. Now we need to go for the dimensions. To do that, so go to DDIM and change, just modify, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 2, lines and symbols and arrows take it as 3, then go to text, so take the text height as 3, then text alignments align with the dimension line, text placement you make it above, and offset from the dimension line as 2, then you come down to primary units, make that linear dimension as 0 and say OK and say close. Now we need to do the dimensioning. So to do that, you just come down to dim, take intersection point of this, switch off this ortho mode, take int of this. So here we are going to get it as 100 mm. So you draw this for 100. Then go to angular dimension, select between this and this, so you are going to get automatically it as 30 degrees. Similarly, angular dimension between these two, so you are going to get it as 45 degrees. Then go to zoom window, bring this, then go to zoom window, select this and bring it near to the screen. So now once you do that, so now we need to go for dim TED, text edit dimension. So you take this and you bring it 45 degree here. So you take this and you bring this here 30 degrees. Then you just go to dim, then you take int of this, dim, take int of this and take int of this. So you're going to get it as text type SD, shortest distance, which is equal to question mark. So you place it wherever you want. Then go to angular dimension between this line and this line. So it will going to take 45 degrees here. So this is how you will be able to write the dimensions 100, and that 100 is not required, only one side it is required. Now we need to show this arrowhead. Once you do that, then you take this, and of course you can either get it from here or you can get it from there. So that is also a possibility. So to do that, so now we will go for leader. Now we will take nearest point on this, draw tangentially to this arc, annotation option none. Then you just go to leader, so it should be the direction of arrow. Then go to leader, take nearest on this and draw tangentially to that arc. Go to annotation option none. So once you do that, you switch on this. So next is I want to go to leader, take nearest point on this and you drag this, annotation option none. So once you get this, now we need to start from there, from the top. So then go to leader, take nearest on this, you draw this, annotation option none. Now we go for leader, take this nearest point on this and drag this here, annotation option none. Similarly, leader, take nearest point on this and draw a horizontal line, annotation option none. Similarly, leader, take nearest point on this, you draw this, annotation option none. So once you do that, so you're going to get this point. How you're going to get this point? Leader, nearest on this and you drag this here, annotation option none. So now we'll go for explode this line, these two, and this line and this line. Similarly, this line and this line. Then you just explode this, erase this line, erase this line, erase this line. Similarly, you erase this, then you come down to this, then you come down to this. So we are removing all these entities. Once you do that, so this is the direction of projections. So now we're going to break this here. So now I need to go for date text. So type justify, take this and take the height as 3. Then the rotation angle of text as 0, and you mark this as X, and you mark this as VP, and this as HP, and this as RPP. So this is how you will be able to write this. Now we need to show the inside. So to do that, so here I take A, B1 dash. So the rest of the things will come to know. So here go to date text, specify start point. You take height as 3, rotation angle as 0. So to do that, so first I need to go for A dash. So here you write capital A, and here you write capital B, and also you take locus of B, and here you write locus of B. So once you get this, so now you go for small letters. So here A, and here it is B1, and here it is B1 dash, and of course you are going to have capital B, and capital B, and you have capital A. Once you get this, so now B1 dash, you are going to get B dash. Similarly, you are going to get B2 dash, then this point will going to become B2, and this point will going to become B. Once you get this, so you come down to A double dash, and you come down to this as B double dash. Then you have you write it as RPP. Then here you write X1, and here you write Y1, and this as Y. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. And now we need to write the answer. So to write the answer, so go to date text. So here somewhere you can type answer. Then what is the answer? We want shorted distance 40.82. So go to date text. So you take height as 3, 40.82. Yeah. Now we need to go for zoom window. Take this. Then go to date text. So here you mark this as SD. SD is the shortest distance. Then go to move. Select the switch of this ortho mode. So you take it nearer. Then go to ortho mode on. Then go to line. Select this and drag this here. And you take this and you take this. So here, then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line. Take nearest on this and take perpendicular to this. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Now we need to change the text to those particular layers. So to do that, so first I need to move all these things so appropriately, place it appropriately. X, you take VP and you take HP. So here you type D text, you take it as A dash. Then you just come down to this. Now you mark this as A dash here, and this as capital A. Then go to move on this VP. Similarly, you move out this small a, and this is capital A. Then we have B. Then we have B1. You have B1 dash. Then you have then go to zoom previous. Then we have the direction which is to be shown here. So then go to nearest on this. So since we have switched off, tangentially to that annotation option, then go to explode this and say erase. So once you do that, so we have the B1. So here you take to the bottom. So then go to move, take A, and you take capital A and place it. B1, you take B1. So you come down to this as capital B. Then this will going to be the locus of B. Then go to B2. Then go to zoom previous. So here come down to zoom window. Bring it small b nearer. Then B2 dash. Then capital B. Then we have locus of B. Then B double dash here. Then X1. Then A double dash. Then RPP. Then go to zoom previous. Then go to move. So first we're going to move X1 and then Y, then Y1. So once you do that, so you have the answers also. I shown the directions of projections. Now we need to change all the text to those particular layers. So here B1 dash. So go to layer, take it as front view. So once you do that, so you just click over this small a, B, then B2, then B1, locus of B. You go to layer, make that as top view. Once you do that, so you just click on this, you click on this, you click on this, and you click on this. Go to color, make that color as blue. So once you do that, now we need to go for HP. So you just click over HP, make that layer as top view. Then now we have changed the true length. So everything is fine. So you come down to A double dash and A double dash, B double dash, and then go to layer, make that layer as side view. So this is how you will be able to get all the things which has been done, and also the shorted distance, which will going to be 40.82. So this is how you will be able to solve, and this problem is very similar to the one what we have created here. So this is how we can solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.